Hey guys, if you're looking for Yuzu Pokemon Scarlet Black screen fix, then this is the right video for you. So we will go to the Yuzu application here and we have to click right click, and after that we have to go to the compatibility, and here we have to select disable full screen optimization, and below that on this program run as an administrator. Make sure to apply this and click on OK. Now this may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then I'm going to go show you this next solution. You have to just open this Yuzu app, and after that you have to go to emulation, then click on configuration. Now click on graphics, and here you have to select on the settings. You have to select any of these. Just try applying by both these settings. This may work for you. And you can also change your graphic card just to check whether this work for you or not. So this is it guys. Make sure to click on the OK, and make sure to leave a comment down below if this video was really helpful for you, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.